Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning in. Today we are gonna cook an easy and healthy breakfast, and as you can see, we have some lettuce, we have some spinach, butter, eggs, a spatula, and paprika. I ended up not using the paprika in the end. I'll tell you why later. And as you can see, I started off by putting my butter to a hot pan. I use butter because it's for me it tastes better than the oil, but of course you can use cooking oil of your preference instead of the butter. And I also set it on low heat to help me beat up the eggs in the meantime. And I used 3 eggs, but you can use as many as you want compared to how big you want the breakfast. And then of course within a couple of minutes the eggs were ready, and yes, the butter was also ready in that time. So I went ahead and poured in my eggs. Now I love my eggs to first settle on the bottom. Some people go ahead immediately after pouring in the eggs and start stirring, but I like the bottom to first harden a little bit before I start stirring. This is my own way of doing stuff, but of course you also have your own way. And as you can see, as the egg starts bubbling up on the sides, I start pulling the sides into the inside to let the other part also start hardening. It is important to cook this on low heat like I did, because you don't want it to burn up, or you don't want some parts to be watery and then the other ones are really hard. And because I was also because I also wanted to add in some spinach, that is why I really had to have it on low heat. And as you can see, I was a little bit late. And I also used the biggest spinach, but you can also use the baby spinach, is also okay. This is what I had, so that is why I used this. And yeah, I will go ahead and stir around. It can take a while for the spinach to dissolve in the eggs, but you just need to be patient with it. I went ahead and added in some black pepper and some salt just to taste. Now this is something that takes 3 to 5 minutes to prepare, so in the shortest time you already have breakfast. So it was done by then, and it was time to enjoy it.